हेलो टू एवरीवन। आई डोंट नो ये किस तक वीडियो पहुंचेगी, कौन मेरी ये वीडियो देख रहा होगा या नहीं देख रहा होगा, आई हैव नो आइडिया, बट आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर इट आउट टू एवरीवन। मैं जस्ट अभी अभी महानरसिम्हा मूवी देख के आई हूँ। माय गॉड, जेन्युइनली मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ, ट्रस्ट मी, आई वॉन्ट एवरी सिंगल वन ऑफ यू हु इज़ वॉचिंग दिस, go and watch. If you are an atheist, you have no faith, if you have little faith, or if you are a very scientific person, I just want every single soul who is watching this just to go watch the movie. Trust me, I am not saying anything, there is no script, something, nothing, I'm just saying out my heart out. I have read about Lord Narasimha, प्रहलाद महाराज, भागवतम सुकथा सुनते थे, नरसिम्हा प्रेयर्स बोलते थे, तो I knew it, but when I saw it manifesting in front of the screen and I can see it, it's just make all the knowledge I had more strong. It shows कि हमारा कल्चर कितना खूबसूरत है. People say these stories are mythology. No, it is not. This is the real truth. We still have the pillar where for saving Prahlad Maharaj, Narsimha Dev appeared. And trust me, when you see the story, which shows faith, which shows that if you truly believe in Krishna, he comes, protects you in every way possible. Like for me, I'm still, a struggling devotee. I'm trying to learn, I'm trying to understand. But, when you are in this path and when you see the real events, real stories, it just makes you feel more convicted that now I am on right path and I want to, work on myself that I can develop that kind of faith. पता नहीं किस जन्म में होगा, इस जन्म में मुझे तो नहीं लगता but it's really beautiful. I have no words to describe. I saw that movie and I want to dissect for the people who are not interested. So I want you to see I will give you a perspective to see this movie. See, if you see Hiranyakashipu, he portrayed pure demonic character who was atheist, who wants to achieve, who was ambitious, who wants to take everything which was not his, and he tried every way possible to get it. And here is Prahlad Maharaj, who is his son. He know the absolute truth because he has been guided by his Guru Maharaj, who was Narad Muni, who was close associate of absolute truth, close associate of Narayan, and he guided him. He made him learn the absolute truth. And the qualities of Prahlad Maharaj, where Prahlad Maharaj has pure faith, he has pure surrender to Lord, and at the same time he has so much compassion, so much love for every single being. Either it's a plant, it's an animal, it's a human, it's a demon, or it's a living being, a saint, or doesn't matter. For him, every soul deserves compassion and love. That kind of quality. And you see that Prahlad Maharaj and Hiranyakashipu, they both are from same generation, but here Prahlad Maharaj chose to break his own generation by upgrading his knowledge, by upgrading his beliefs, by getting and learning the absolute truth, and not just learning and spreading that absolute truth to everyone. So, when you see more stories like this, which is the truth, which is true, you realize that हम जो इतना स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं अभी, ये so much anxiety, so much depression, so much of pain, suffering, इसका solution है, but we are not going there. Hiranyakashipu have suffered a lot. He suffered. He lost his brother. He lost every thing he tried to get. But why he suffered? Because he was trying to be something that he is not. Because he don't have that absolute knowledge. वो जो एब्सोल्यूट नॉलेज वो होती है जो कभी नहीं बदल सकती, समय का कोई भी काल उसे बदल नहीं सकता. दैट्स द एब्सोल्यूट ट्रुथ. तो वो हिरण्यकशिपु के पास नहीं था और इसीलिए वो सफ़र करता रहा. पर प्रहलाद महाराज के पास वो एब्सोल्यूट ट्रुथ था, वो एब्सोल्यूट नॉलेज थी, इसीलिए हर सफरिंग जो दूसरों को लगती थी उनको नहीं लगती थी. Because he was free from all these mental and emotional reactions that this body gives. You know, I would just recommend each and everyone go and watch this movie and try to find the truth of yourself. कि आप एक्चुअली में क्या हो. This movie will tell you what is the truth. Even if you are not a believer of Lord, doesn't matter. Challenge yourself, take it as a challenge. Okay, I will see who he is. Go and see, have that open mind, have that questioning, that okay, I want to inquire. If I don't have faith, but still I want to inquire about the Lord. कि देखते हैं ना है क्या. I don't know what I'm saying, how many people will understand this, but I just humbly request, go watch this video. It will just change your perspective. It will also help you to understand the truth. Understand that if you believe in Krishna, if you believe in Lord Narasimha, he is there for you in every way possible. हिरण्यकशिपु ने इतनी तपस्या की, वो फिर भी भगवान को देख नहीं पाया क्योंकि उसके पास ना वो नॉलेज थी ना वो आंखें थी. बट प्रहलाद महाराज के पास एक फेथ था, ठीक है. इसकी वजह से उनको वो आंखें भी मिली और वो नॉलेज भी मिली कि वो भगवान को हर जगह देख पाए. सो इवन इफ़ यू डोंट राइट नाउ, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव द नॉलेज, or if you don't have that eye to see the Lord, if you don't have that faith, it's okay. Just go, start, at least be open minded to explore. So go and explore, watch this movie and just explore. Maybe आपके अंदर के उस फेथ को जो डॉर्मेंट स्टेट पे है वो जग जाए और यू ट्रूली फाइंड द ट्रू हैप्पीनेस. हरे कृष्ण.